चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्तकांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी तत्त्ववत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्तस्य कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। आदेवी काकुहर गदगद यद्वाच जाचिनी पत्तिभुवि दण्डवदुर्भुटार्ति अस्य प्रसादमुद्दिश्य जनस्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विदे निजगणे गणनान्विदे अङ्गसंउर्वीक्षटमुन्वन्दिकृतन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जाचु गुरुरुचिषं पट्टं वरसश्रियां वृन्दारण्यवासं हृदयसद्धामदिदामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशनं जलोभुजं ध्यायंस्तु दामोदरम्। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना एते विज्ञाय ते राधे तन्नयामि चरणाम्बिके। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। न विजाचे राज्यं न जनकमाणिक्यं न विभं न जाचं ब्रह्मं सकलजनकं मम वरवधूं मे सदा काले काले परमपति न कितचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नैनपथगामी भवतु। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Sai Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta, Gurubindu Mitra Vishnupad, Sila Gurubindu Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava and Vaishnavis and presented, all my respectful guests. So this month we also discussed so many Hari Katha, Krishna Tattva, Radha Tattva, and also Hardas Thakur's life history and Jiv Goswami Pad's philosophy. Many things we also discussed. So just I want to say how Radha and Krishna, they also perform sweet lila in Braj. Actually, I also, I speak about the Bengali song. In Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, and very nice, beautiful, and glorified about Radha Tattva, and we also discuss sometimes. We have Srimati Radhika. She also fulfill all her. She should fulfill all the desires of Krishna. And especially for the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained Srimati Radhika. She is the direct manifestation of Krishna Prema Sindhu. কৃষ্ণের বিশুদ্ধ প্রেম রত্নের আকার অনুপম গুণগণ পরিপূর্ণ করিবার in Chaitanya Chaitamritam also explained in this way. Yes, Srimati Radhika, she is the perfect the prem of Krishna, and so within Krishna, Visuddha Krishna prem ratner akar anupam gunagun purna kalivar. All his body that is called the realizable only for Krishna. And so Govinda Lilamrita also explains it. Ka Krishna pranaya janitahu Srimati Radhike eka ka asya premasya anupam radhikana channam jagnam kese disi saralata nishtrutam to kuchi asya vancha purte bhavati hare radhika nacha anna. That means where the Krishna's prem manifested, and where the source of Krishna prem manifested, but then only from the heart of Srimati Radhika. And कृष्ण प्रणय जन्मभूमि कौन है? एकमात्र श्रीमती राधिका. And all the qualities actual manifested from Srimati Radhika, so the Eka Radhika, unknown. And same way, Srimati Radhika's Kutilata, Kutilata means crookedness. This is called Kutilata. In the realm of Prem, that Kutilata actual manifested from the heart of Srimati Radhika. But where is that the Kutilata and crookedness and giving and Jagnam Kese? Jagnam Jagnam Sabda Jagnam means that is called Kautilya Kese. Or and Drishti is sidelong coming from his eyes and Taralata. Radhika's and eyes is very, yeah, Taral means that is called restless. And Taralata. And Nishrattam Kathina, her chest breast. Vancha Purti Bhavati Hare Radhika Anna. And in this way, only Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. जार सौभाग्य गुण बांचे हत्त भमा जार ठाई कला विलास सिखे ब्रज रमा जार सौंदर्य गुण बांचे लक्ष्मी पार्वती जार पतिव्रता धर्म बांचे अरुंधति जार सद्गुण गणने कृष्ण न पाए पार तार गुण गणिबे केमन जीव विचार. So here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained why Krishna completely controlled by Srimati Radhika. Because Srimati Radhika has innumerable qualities, guna. Radhika's vividha guna. Jar Saubhagya gun banche Satyabhama. Even Satyabhama, Dwaraka, she is very eager to how to get this type of fortune. That Sai Kala Vila Sikhe Braja Rama. And all the art and Braj Govind they also learn from Srimati Radhika. Jar Sundarji Gun Banchi Lakshmi and Parvati and Srimati Radhika's beautifulness, everything also. Lakshmi and Parvati, the wife of Narayan and the wife of Shiva, they are hankering. Brahmani, Shivani, all they are hankering how to get these types of beautifulness from Srimati Radhika. Jar Pativrata Dharma Banche Arundhati. And even Arundhati, and she also eager to how to get the Pativrata Dharma. Jar Sadgun Ganane na Krishna Napai Par. Even Krishna cannot count how many types of good qualities of Srimati Radhika. Tar gune gunibe kemon jivichar. How the jivas will count the qualities of Srimati Radhika. And so for this regard, here Mahaprabhu asks to Rai Ramananda, and Janu Krishna Radha Prema Tattva Sunite Chahiye Duhe Vilas Tattva. When Mahaprabhu heard this, Mahaprabhu pleased, Mahaprabhu told, now I realize that Radha Krishna, how much they have Prema Tattva. Sunite Chahiye Dwar Vilas Tattva. Vilas means they are playing. According to Sanskrit word, Vilas playing, there is a Kam Kida Tattva. Right way Krishna hoy dhira lalit nirantar kam kida jahar chari ratri dine kunja kida kadir kare radha sange koi surbaya safal kaila kida range. Then Chaitanya Rai Ramananda, he told the Krishna is called Dhira Lalita Nayak. Dhira Lalita Nayak means who has extra 4 qualifications. And first that is called Nischintata. Nischintata means complete free from all kinds of duty and responsibilities. And no anxiety, no anxiousness. And second, that is called Priyasi Vachibhuta. He completely controlled by his consort. Priyasi Vachibhuta. Third, that is called Prachanna Kamkata. And Prachanna Kamkata? नहीं वो तो ना कृष्ण जी धीर ललित निश्चिंतता धीर ललित विदग्धता नवतारुण्यम कृष्ण is विदग्ध माने he is very रसिक नवतारुण्य always ever freshful form परिहास विशारद He is very expert to how to make jokes. Nischintata. His mind is completely free from all kinds of anxiety. And, and Priyasi Vasivita is completely controlled by his consort. So this is also Vidabdha Navataranam Parihasa Visarada Nischintato Dhira Lurita Sata Prayas Vashi Prayasi Vasivita. So this is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. And so for this regard, Krishna actually I also in what is it called? Chamatkar, what is it reading? Prem Sampat Grantha. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also. Krishna is called Jivaraj. He is called Prince. And Nanda Maharaj is the king of Braj. For this regard, Nanda Maharaj, he has so much duty and responsibilities and how to maintain and his kingdom and how to give love and affection all the his residents, how to solve the residents all kinds of problems. eh, understand? For Krishna, he has no duty and responsibilities. And so for this regard, his mind is free from. So for the Vishwanath Chakravarti path explain, even all the incarnation of Krishna, yeah, they cannot and, and to manifest their prem with their consort. And even Bhagavan Ramchandra also not complete. Something also he manifests his prem to Sita Devi, but not complete. Because Ramchandra is the king of Ayodhya, especially Ramchandra, he is completely bondage and with his duty and responsibilities for his citizen. And that Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explains this way. Rahupula Riti Sadachari Hai Prana Jai Guru Vachana Na Jai. Ramchandra, he also completely bondage in these rules also. And a king means his word, completely dedicated his life or sacrifice his life for his citizens, and how his citizens will be happy, how to develop uh, their citizen or the country, and everything is mind absorbed. Even all the others incarnation, they have also many duty and responsibilities. That is, yesterday we also discussed these things. And the Krishna, that means when he comes, uh, then his duty is Paritranam sadhunam vinasaya cha duskritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Jada jada dharma saglani bhavati bharata. In the two slokas Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, um, except Brajanandan Krishna and Sundar, all his incarnation, they also always absorbed about all these duty and responsibilities. Even Karudoksai, Garudoksai, Khurudoksai Vishnu, they also absorbed how to creation and how to nourishment and how to destroy also. And even Krishna's all the avatara body and incarnation, they are also duty this way. And so they have no time to manifest their prem towards his consort. But Varnananda Samsundar, Krishna, and he completely free from all kinds of these anxiety and anxiousness. Another thing Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained, Varnananda Samsundar, though he is Bhagavan, and Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam, he is Swayam Bhagavan, but he is Bhagavatta, and supremacy, and most of the time also covered with Yogamaya. For this regard, he performed sweet Leela, Ras Leela with the gopis, and laughing, joking, many kinds of, he performs many kinds of amorous pastimes. And because and he's completely and free from all these things. And that things also explain and Prem Sampud Grantha and his Bhagavatta manifested in Braj, but Brajavasi they don't believe he is Bhagavan also. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan 7 days, 7 nights, and Krishna danced on the hoods of Kaliya, and this is also his Bhagavatta. Krishna, even if Krishna is performed Ras dance with the gopis very quickly, he goes one gopis to another gopis. This is also his Bhagavatta. And but Brajavasis by Jogmaya they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. And Bhagavatta is there. And, but that Bhagavatta completely covered with Jogmaya. Or except Vrindavan. And that means Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Vaikuntha. That is Bhagavatta is mostly Krishna, mostly the Bhagavatta is manifesting in India. I am Bhagavan. And in Dwarkapuri, Krishna most of the time he manifested 4 arms. Or Mathura sometimes he manifests 4 arms and sometimes 2 arms. In Vrindavan also Krishna manifested once 4 arms, but Brajavasi they don't believe he is our beloved Krishna. You know this Katha Hoinar used to go Petagam, and once Krishna joked with the gopis and disappeared from the Ras dance, and that time all the gopis they also they also searching to Krishna. Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? And then Krishna he also came in one kunja and manifested 4 arms in there. And some gopis though left to Srimati Radhika and going forward to search to Krishna. And but they saw that in the kunja and 4 arms in there. That time they paid their obeisances to the feet of and Krishna. They are thinking, or you are not our beloved Krishna, you are Narayan. Hey Narayan, you give blessing to us, how will meet with our beloved Krishna. Then after a few minutes, when Srimati Radhika, she came with her Sakhis. Then just the smell of the body of Srimati Radhika, Krishna um, come to keep at 4 arms. Then automatically his 2 arms enter in his stomach. That is called patha. Patha paid when it is going to enter 2 hands in his stomach. For this is called patha. And so Brajranath, Krishna and great grandson Vajranabha, he also manifested that temple and also big sarovar and pond. That sarovar is called Narayan Sarovar. If you go in there to the big sarovar, that is called, and in this lila also. Here also some acharyas, especially we heard from Bhaktivedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, very nice Siddhanta he told. Those gopis left to Srimati Radhika, or those who are not and following the instruction of Srimati Radhika, that is when Srimati Radhika Anugattavin Sakhi, gopis. They are thinking according to our own endeavors, we will find out to Krishna. So those gopis did not following the instruction of Srimati Radhika, that is not Radha Anugatta. They are going forward to search to Krishna. For this regard, they did not see to Krishna. They saw 4 arms Krishna, that is called Vishnu. But those gopis to completely surrender to the of Srimati Radhika and Radha Anugatta, when they are going, that time they saw Krishna Divuj Muralidhar Krishna. That means Radhar Anugatta Vina, करिलो भजन ना पाए ब्रजे ब्रजेंद्र नंदन. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained, even if you do personal bhajan and sadhan in Vrindavan, and without the Anugatta of Srimati Radhika, you cannot attain to Vrindavan Samsundar. So Radhar Anugatta Vina Bhajilo Napai Bhajendra Nandan. So here also Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj on his lecture very nicely, he explained this tattva. That means all our aim and object have to Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. So Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained, Visaya Vigraha Krishna. Krishna is called Visaya Vigraha, object of that divine love. But how to serve to worship to object or divine love Krishna? Now, under guidance of uh, Asra Vigraha Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika Anugatta. Srimati Radhika is called the the shelter of divine love. Asra Vigraha Srimati Radhika. Without Asra Vigraha's Anugatta Srimati Radhika, no one can attain to Visaya Vigraha. So now in this way, here also explain this subject, this Tattva Siddhanta. So in this way, रात्रि दिने कुंज क्रीड़ा करे राधा संगे वैश्वर सफल कैल काम क्रीड़ा रंगे वाचा सुचित सर्वरी रुधि कला प्रगल्भम राधिकां वीणा कुंजित लोचनं वृचग्री सुखी नाम श्लो तद वक्षो रुचिर चित्र केली मुखरी पंडित पारंगतः किशोरं सफलीकृत कलयनं कुंजी विहरं हरि. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad also composed this verse. How Krishna is called a Rasika. Rasik Shekhar, Krishna Parama Karun. Krishna is called Rasik Shekhar. He is the perfect connoisseur, who is very expert to enjoying the Ras Madhurya and Prema Madhurya from the heart of his pure devotee Srimati Radhika. So Ratri Dine Kunja Kida Kare Radha Sange. Day and night Krishna, he performs sweet amorous pastimes with Srimati Radhika. In this way, Krishna fulfilled his Koisor Bayas and youthful. Because this is the nature of this material world also. And when the Koisor is coming, Kishore Bayas and youthful coming, automatically spontaneous mind going towards the opposite sex. This is the nature. In the same way, Lokavattu Lila Koivalam, Krishna performs his Lila as like human being, Manav Lila. For this regard, Krishna's mind also always absorbed how to enjoy the sweet amorous pastimes with Srimati Radhika. So for the whole night, Krishna, he also decorates Srimati Radhika's body with the different, what is called? Dolphin, ना क्या बोलते हैं? लोग जो डॉट्स लगाते हैं, क्या करते हैं? विदेश में जो लगाते हैं tattoo. This tattoo is coming actually from Krishna. Krishna is expert how to tattooing. Okay. And even sometimes Krishna himself also told all this katha in front of the assemblies of the Sakhis. Then Srimati Radhika, she also sometimes very ashamed, legit. For this regard, Koisori Basu Koisarang Safalan Karati, Kalena Kunje Biharang Sri Hari. प्रभु कहे आगे कहता राय करे या वही बुद्धि नहीं या बुद्धि गति नहीं यार। Mahaprabhu when heard this katha, Dhir Lalit Nayak, how he is very expert, laughing, joking, and very expert with different kinds of amorous pastimes Srimati Radhika. But Mahaprabhu told, I want to know more. Rai ko yah koi buddhi gati nahi yaar. Rai Raman he told, I cannot speak more this. My mind is not working more than this. जेबा प्रेम विलास विवर्त एक है ताहा सुनि तुम्हार सुख है कि ना है। ये तो बोली आपन गीत आपन कृत गीत एक गाहिल प्रेमे प्रभु सहस्ते तार मुख अच्छा दिल। Then Rai Ramananda he also explained about prem vilas vivarta. Vivarta means that is whirlpool, Gurnirman, and that is called prema vivarta. And Maha ये तो बोली राय रामानंद एक गीत गाहिला। Then Rai Ramananda he also sang one very nice beautiful song composed by himself. Yes, ये तो बोली आपन कृत गीत एक गाहिला प्रेमे प्रभु सहस्त्रतार मुख अच्छा दिल। When Mahaprabhu heard this, then Mahaprabhu and with his own hand and covered the mouth of Rai Ramananda. प्रेमे प्रभु सहस्त्रतार मुख अच्छा दिल। But Rai Ramananda he sang this song because sometimes Swajya Sakibiki cannot understand this Prem Vilas Vivarta. And Jagadananda also he also wrote one grantha that is called Vivarta Vilas Grantha. Bhakta Baul Jagadananda Prem Vivarta and Baul Sampradaya they also composed one grantha that is called Vivarta Vilas. Vivarta Vilas. That is called Baul Sampradaya grantha. That is not authentic. But Jagadananda Prem Vivarta and Rai Ramananda Prem Vilas. This is the Sampurna. This is called prominent and authentic. Because Prem Vilas Tattva, in Prem Vilas Tattva, Rai Ramananda Prem Vilas Tattva, there are two things are there. One is called Vipralambha or another is called the Milan, Sambhog and Milan. Because without Vipralambha, Sambhog will not complete. So our Shastra also explains Nabina Vipralambina Sambhoga Pusti Masnute. Without Vipralambha, Sambhog will not complete or manifested. Vipralambha means separation. Vichheder apar nami Vipralambha. That is called the Prema Vivarta. In this Prema Vivarta, actually when Adhiruda Mahabhav, Sambhog Spurti. So Rai Ramananda, he also manifested this song Pahile Raga Nayana Bhanga Bhela Anudana Barala Abhidana Gela Na Suraman Naham Ramani Duham Mano Bhava Pesala Jani Loki Esava Prema Kahini Kanuthame Pahibo Bichurla Jani Na Khojulu Duti Na Khojulu An Duham Miral Ner Madde Panchaban अब सोई विराग तुहूं भेली दूती सपुरुष प्रेम ओइछे न रीति. Very nice, beautiful. This and Rai Ramananda he sang this song. That's called Rai Ramananda. He himself composed this song. पहिले राग नयन भंग भेल. ये प्रेम विलास विवर्त और प्रेम विवर्त है। Here they explained him how the lover and beloved, Nayak and Nayika, and they also attracted with each others. And according to the prem, how prem manifested, first that is called the Chakshuk Darshan. And, and I plans. And, and there are, and I think 6 processes how to lover and beloved attracted to each others. First, that is called Chakshuk Darshan. Then Chintan. eh, They also thinking to each others. eh. Then they are thinking how to meet to each others. And then Badhi and Chintan and so many things are coming. This also explaining by Yoga Dharma, Bhakti Thakur explained. And when the prem manifested, that is premier das dasha and 10 stages of love in there. And but here पहिले राग नयन भंग फेलो. Just short time, just the blinking the eyelids, and then Radha and Krishna, their prem completely what, and to attach to each other, and that prem day by day also increase. Anudina badal abhidina gelo, and that prem increase more and more, where there are no ceiling, but still the prem is going up, increasing. Na so Raman Naham Ramani. And when this prem is more and more developed, that time they cannot realize both. I am enjoyer or enjoyee. Na so Raman Naham Ramani. Duha Mono Bhava Pesalo Ekalo Jani. Both their mind completely mixed together. Pesalo means that they completely and mixed together. They cannot do separate to each other. How they are, that is called the pranay dosha. Pranay means is what? When lover and beloved thinking, your mind and my mind is non-different from us. And everything is what? Same. So in this way, Prem Vivartas, that is actual coming, that is called Mohan and Madanakha Adhira Mahabhav. This is actual in this, that is called Prema Vaichitta. Vipralambha Dasha. Vipralambha, 4 types of Vipralambha. What is that? Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, and Prema Vaichitta. So in the same way, 4 types of also Milan and Sankipta, Sankirna, and then some last that is called Samriddhaman Prem, or another is called just third first that is called Sankshipta, Sankirna, and third just forget, and fourth that is called Samriddhaman Prem. So in this way, related with that is called the Vipralambha. But that means without Vipralambha, this prem will not increase. Then again, our Acharya also explained actual that is called 8 types of Milan and 8 types of separation. And this again also explained 32 types of Milan and 32 types of separation. So means how many? And 64 types of in 32 types of separation or 32 types of Milan. 64. and, and so very difficult to understand how will we discuss these things. And so now coming in this prem, Vaichitra, Vilas, so saying, दुहु इसलिए कर रहे हैं, हे सखी से सब प्रेम काहिनी काहू ठाने कोई भी किछु न कोई भी बिछुल जानी. हे सखी, if you go to Krishna and explain these types of prem, why Krishna left us, why also separate from him, ना खोजिलु दुती ना खोजिलु आन, दुहा मिलने मध्य पांच बान. When we also meet together and first time and spontaneous, we also completely what and attracted with the Kama Devas five bang, five arrows. And listen, Kamdev five arrows. Eh? What the five arrows of Kamdev? Eh? One day I told. And Udura Mahabhav and what is that? Yesterday I told. This is called what is name? चलो कितने याद रखोगे क्या बोलोगे. Madan, Madan, and oh, here also explain this. And पांच मिनट. That is called रूप रस शब्द गंध स्पर्श पंचसर. And Radha Krishna is given Vilas Megane. That is called Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Sparsha, Rup, Ras, Gandha, Sabda, and Sparsha. Rup means beauty. Ras means how they are to enjoying different sense. And Gandha, Gandha means smell. Sabda means sound. Sparsha means touch. And this is it. And Maran, Uchatan, Susan, these things also explain Kamdevas. And four arrows and also connected with this and that is called Son Mohan. First is also to attract it which it was. How is that is called? To मोहित हो जाना, complete you eh? Yeah, mesmerize. And this is coming this way. And Uchatan, they are very eager to meet to each others and then thinking. In this way, and the Kamdev, he has four and arrows. But here Radha Krishna's prem, and that is called the Roop, Ras, Sabda, Gandha, and Sparsha. And here Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada in Anuvasra also explain this way. And how Radha and Krishna they also attracted with their own beautiful form. And Krishna's form and Radha's form, Rupa, and also increase more and more and more. And in this way, they also attracted to each others. And so he say Rag Virag Arthan, why you are now to separate? And Supurukha Uttam Nayak ba Prema which the high class Nayak. Nayak means heroine. That is the nature. And with the high class also Naika, their nature also in this way. And to attract to each others, then by Jogmaya, they also separate. Why? Because how to prem will be more realizable and increasable in increase and increasable increase and and that flame will be never destroyed. And here also say नासो रमन नाहु रमन इस वाक्य के सत्यता वाक्य सत्य के ध्वंस करा है नहीं वस्तु वस्तु शक्ति परिचय शुद्ध अद्वैत आशंका प्रवृत्त होइयाছে তাহার নিরসন উদ্দিষ্ট হইয়াছে। Here Prabhupada Anubhasya is explained in this verse naso raman naham ramani, I am enjoyer or enjoyee. Why use this word? Now their prem will be never destroyed and will more increase and increase. And another thing, the Shakti Shakti Mano Daur Abheda Tattva Siddhanta is that, and Krishna is called Shaktiman. Srimati Radhika, she is called Shakti. And you cannot separate from Shakti to Shaktiman or Shaktiman to Shakti. Both are staying in together. Or for this regard, Prem will be never separate. And just Jogmaya, she arranged how they separate to each others. Why? Because they are Prem will be more and increase. And that will be also realizable. But Prakritya Sahaja Sampradayas, they cannot understand these types of philosophy. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada also explained Prakritya Sahaja Sampradaya, Jadbhakta, Ramanesh, भेद আছে ক্রিয়া অশুদ্ধ দ্বৈত বিচারে বহুমানন করেন। That means Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained those who are Prakritya Sahaja Sampradaya, they are thinking we are separate from each other. Why? Now how to increase our prem? But in Advaita Shuddha prem, that is called Achinta Bhedabhed Tattva in that. गौर सुंदरे अचिंत भेदाभेद विचारটি একটু পৃথক। শুদ্ধ দ্বৈত বিচার ও অচিন্ত ভেদ বিচার এই স্থলে সমাপর্যায়িত বলিয়া জানিতে হইবে। শুদ্ধ দ্বৈত বিচার, শুদ্ধ পারফেক্ট দ্বৈত বিচার, দ্বৈত বিচার means dualism, and achinta bhedabhed tattva same. They white separate to each others according to the achinta bhedabhed tattva, how their prem will be more increasable, more and more increase. So in this way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Rai Raman when told this katha na so ramani na na so raman na ramani duha pesalo मनोभव एकल जानी। दुहें मिलन से अवरोही विराग दुभुक्ति सुपुरुख प्रेम प्रेम का सुपुरुख प्रेम का ओइचन जानी। That means विच्छेद means separation, increase the milan, and how they also eager to again meet to each others. Here Srimati Radhika, she also explained, when I meet with Krishna, that time I did not take any media, middle person. Just our spontaneous mind attracted with Krishna. So saying, na khujilu duti, na khujilu na khujilu duti, na khujilu ar. And we did not to inquire anything. It's spontaneous, and we also meet each others. That is called ananga. Only our milan. Milan means separate. Milan means meeting and with our ananga ban, madhastha. And in this way, Rai Ramananda, he explained this, that is called prem vilas vivarta. And when the viraha, that comes so many stimulation, or spurti manifested in the heart of a Naika. That is called Vipralambha Sambhog Spurti. Spurti, stimulation coming in their heart and remembering all his previous meeting. So Prem Vilas Sambhog, Ananda Vipralambha, in the same way. विशेषतः विप्लम्बे सेवार प्रकष्टा कृष्णे तन्मत भाव हेतु सर्पे रज्जु भ्रमेन्नय तमलादि विकते कृष्ण भ्रम जनित विवर्त भावपन्न अदृढ़ महावे एकमात्र उदय है यार भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभु भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर also explained in Vipralambha and some also Brahm coming. But the Brahm Vipralambha, when Srimati Radhika, she looked Tamal Vriksha, Tamal tree. Then he is thinking, this is Krishna. Just give an example. In this material world, conditional soul has 4 defects: Brahm, Pramad, Viplipsa, and Karnapata. Here the Brahm means illusion, which is not true. That is thinking that is true. That is called Sarpe Rajju Brahm. One snake is there. But but you are thinking that is rope. But where is the rope? But thinking that the snake. In the same way, when the Prem Vivarta, that time this types of also is coming. But that is called Adhirudabha Mahabhav. So here Bhakti Vinod Thakur explained. Vipralambha Seva Parakashta Krishna Tanmata. Arthat, they completely absorbed with Krishna. Just give an example. Bilap Kusmanjili or another Grantha explained. Once Srimati Radhika, she is going to meet with her beloved Krishna. And then by Jogmaya, Srimati Radhika, she saw one tamal tree is there. But that tamal tree is no branches, nothing, only tamal tree, 2 branches, just raised 2 branches. In Srimati Radhika, she is thinking maybe someone blocks her path. Then Srimati Radhika, she afraid. Then Tamale dekhe kare Krishna Brahm. When Srimati Radhika, she saw that tamal tree, that time Srimati Radhika, she is thinking Krishna. And Krishna, that tamal tree is, the 2 branches is up. Then Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, oh, Krishna is coming and to embrace to her with his 2 arms. Then Srimati Radhika afraid, and Srimati Radhika is very angry with her Sakhis. Before she was very eager. Sakhis, anyhow, you have to bring to my beloved Krishna. But when Srimati Radhika, she came very close to Krishna, then the tamal tree is a Brahm. Actually, there is Krishna. There is not tamal tree. Krishna is very tricky. Krishna just raised his 2 hands and acting like a tamal tree. Srimati Radhika, she is thinking this is tamal tree. And tamale Krishna kare Brahm, but Krishna kare tamale Brahm. So when comes that Srimati Radhika, she is afraid. That time she also chastised. Srimati Radhika, she chastised her Sakhis. Why did you bring here? Before she was very eager, Sakhis, anyhow, you have to bring to me Krishna. But when coming very close to Krishna, that time she also chastised to her Sakhis. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, one slok is also explained in this way. When I will be also what is called get the chastisement of Srimati Radhika in this way. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Jai Jai Bolo Radha ki jai. There are so many Leela Kathas in there. How Radha Krishna they are meeting together. Dasi Bhavani Vishabhanu. Vishwanath Chakraborty Padu. How will I become maid servant of Srimati Radhika, and Srimati Radhika, she will also chastise me. Good Premanandi. Thank you for your kindness. Now about 5:09, I'll go to another class in Hindi class soon. So, and if you have any birthday or you who has birthday? Nobody's birthday. Hare Krishna. Jai Srimati Radha Rani ki jai. এই লীলা স্মরণ গাও কৃষ্ণ নাম অচিরাতি কৃষ্ণ প্রেম পাবি প্রেমধন, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur give blessing. When you chant holy names, you have to remember these types of lila katha, then you will attend to Krishna bhakti and Krishna prem, and sometimes learn tattva siddhanta, and sometimes also absorbed in Krishna's lila katha pastimes. Bhajami radhang arvinda netrang smarami radhang madhura smitasam badami radhang karuna varadra tato mama nasti gatirna kapi. When you learn these slokas, all lilas is here. Why Raghunath Das Goswami to recited this verse, Bhajami radhang, always I worship, and Bhajami radhang arvinda netram, always I worship the lotus eyes of Srimati Radhika. Bhajami radhang arvinda netram, smarami radhang madhura smitasam, always I will remember the sight, smiling and smiling face of Srimati Radhika. Bhajami radhang arvinda netram smarami radhang madhura smitam badami radhang karuna bharadra, and always I glorify the Srimati Radhika's karuna, how Srimati Radhika is compassion with me. Bhajami radhang arvinda netrang smarami radhang madhura smitasam badami radhang karuna bharadra tato mama nasti gatirna kapi. There are no any other destination. How we will get the three things from Srimati Radhika? Srimati Radhika's karuna, smiling face, and Bhajami Radha Aravinda Netram, and always I remember Srimati Radhika's and lotus eyes, and this thing. Maybe tomorrow, next class, I will explain. Why Raghunath Das Goswami, he recited this verse. Everybody learn this verse, very important. Bhajami radhang arabinda netrang smarami radhang madhura smitasam badami radhang karuna bharadra tato mamanas gatirna kapi. Good Premanandi. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Nice to see you again. Jai Jai Sri Radha. Question is that why Gaudiya Vaishnavas, those who are lying in Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Sannyasi and Brahmachari, they shape their heart, shape their head in the middle of the Chaturmas. On Viswarup Mahotsav, they are written in their Viswarup Mahotsav, not the Viswarup Khaura. So what is why we also saved our head in the middle of Chaturmasya? Understand? This is for the question of the male devotee, not the female devotee. And those who are male devotees, especially sannyasi and brahmachari, why they save their head in the middle of Chaturmasya? Here written that is called the Viswarup Mahotsav. Understand? Even Chaitanya Bhagavad Vrindavan Das Thakur also explained Chaitanya Bhagavad. The before 2 days before, and Vishwarup Khaura, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu disappear somewhere and he hide somewhere. And so, but that not completely mentioned. Did Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu shaved his head or not? And so why Gaudiya Vaishnavas? And in the middle of these 2 months, and 2 months, of Chaturmasha to shave their head. Actually, this question for the brahmachari and sannyasi, not the ladies, because ladies are not, they are not shave their head. Okay, so you may ask to Prakashananda, to Prakasatma Prabhu, because he is very knowledgeable and scholar, and he also senior most devotee of Prabhupada. Maybe what did he heard from Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj? I am very eager to listen also from him. Thank you for your kindness. If I qualified, maybe you will give answer. Thank you. Good Premanandi. Okay.